So one day you start wondering if that top dead center mark really is top dead center. You post on Facebook and you hear from that guy who asks you if you think you're smarter than a Honda engineer. And while you don't think you're smarter than a Honda engineer, you know they had bean counters and production budgets, not to mention a few 100,000 rotors to mark. And maybe it was Monday morning and there was a wedding Sunday night and the guy marking the rotors wasn't quite feeling well. You never know. So I got my dial caliper out and it looked like it was about 1.5 degrees to 2 degrees off, but I was told that's not the way to do it. And I needed a piston stop, which I'd never heard of, but I found a 14 millimeter one on Amazon. And thankfully it doesn't look like Jeff Bezos' rocket, which is kind of nice. So using a degree wheel, I got the piston stop at exactly 30 degrees, advance of top dead center. As you can see right there, it's top dead center. Then I rotated it clockwise and found at the other side it was, drum roll please, 26.25 degrees. So it should have stopped at 30 on both sides of the TDC mark, but it didn't. And divided by 2, that's 1.75. So it seems that my LT mark was not equidistant from top dead center when you rotate the crank, but it was 1.75 degrees off. So I made a punch mark to compensate for this. That's 1.75 degrees advanced from the factory LT mark. Now I can set up my valve timing, measure all my cam events, create a custom degree wheel with more accuracy than I would have been able to before.